No, actually just shot something with Remo sir also. And it was opposite Siddharth Gupta, the same co-actor from Ragini. This is the first time actually playing such a cute and bubbly character. Main to unke साथ ही था that we were going crazy taking Sumer Singh's case. So I was wishing कि मैं ये सब I would have done these interviews and these promotions in person. And I was looking forward for it so much. Like I was so excited कि show, release hoga, then we'll do promotion like how we did pehle. Like I think before this, the last promotion I did was for Ujra Chaman. So that was obviously normal. I don't know. I mean, I think Ragini was a great story. लोगों ने बहुत
तो करिश्मा बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका फीफा फूस टीवी में।
Thank you so much.
सबसे पहला सवाल और मैंडेटरी सवाल जो है कि कैसे हैं आप, क्योंकि अभी टाइम ऐसा चल रहा है कि सबसे ये पूछना पड़ रहा है कि कैसे, लाइक हाउ यू डूइंग।
नहीं, वैसे भी पूछना चाहिए।
हाँ मतलब अभी लेकिन जरूरी है सबसे
अभी sorry for that. I am absolutely fine. My health is great. I did get positive in December, but I recovered and I'm very, very healthy right now. Situation is very bad in Bombay. अभी यहाँ पे काफी बुरा time चल रहा है, but I think the lockdown is kind of helping because it was important. क्योंकि people were not really, listening, and I think it was a great step taken by the government to do the lockdown for a few days. So, आप कैसे हैं? आप where are you?
होम अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही चल रहा है।
अच्छा,
ऑल गुड। ओके, सो अभी बात करते हैं। सबसे पहले तो कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर योर शो। बहुत अच्छा, जितना मैंने देखा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपको क्या कुछ रिस्पांस मिला है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुकी है, सो आपको क्या कुछ रिस्पांस मिला ऑडियंस से, फैमिली से, क्लोज वन से?
So पहले तो people are really liking the show in general because it's thriller, it's great content, और end तक मुझे मेरे friends ने बोला that we are so at the edge ki who is the person, who is the suspect behind the whole mystery that is going on. So as a show, people are loving it. As my performance, people are also loving it. My family is loving it because उन्होंने हमेशा मुझे different roles करते हुए देखा है. But this is the first time actually playing such a cute and bubbly character. So that is also a very good response that I'm getting. Nirali is doing a lot of wonders for me. The character Nirali is doing a lot of wonders for me.
अच्छा, अभी कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने रणवीर जी से बात की थी, तो उनसे पूछा था कि सबसे अच्छा बॉन्ड सेट पे किसके साथ था, तो उन्होंने आपका नाम लिया था। तो सेम क्वेश्चन
Ranvijay, I was just telling someone else also Abhi that with Ranvijay it was such a different bond. I look up to him. हम ऋषिकेश में शूट कर रहे थे, आई थिंक उनकी फैन फॉलोइंग इतनी मतलब ज्यादा क्रेजी है. Like somebody had come and they were touching his feet because they look up to him so much, and that was so inspiring to see. Everywhere I went, like everywhere we went, people were just crazy about Ranvijay and how humble he is with his fans, how much he talks to his fans. So बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला है रणविजय से. I've learned a lot. So I think but even the girls, the girls were like really sweet. I had a lot of fun with them. Main तो उनके साथ ही था that we were going crazy taking Sumer Singh's case.
So overall, like अभी क्या कुछ दिमाग में आता है कि जब पूरा जो ओवरऑल शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस था, so you that part कि शूटिंग काश अभी एक आदत हो जाती है ना कि शूट करते रहते हो आप, फिर उसके बाद फिर
हमने शूट एक्चुअली 2019 अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर में किया था. So after 1 year the show is out. तो मुझे तो खुशी है कि show finally is out. People are watching it. एक साल से I was like कि कब शो निकलेगा because during Corona nobody was working. So yeah, finally the show is out. People are loving it. I would say everyone should go watch it. For me also as a actor, I feel कि बहुत ही different character था. तो I think my audience will also enjoy it because people have always seen me in a different character. This will be different for them.
अच्छा, 1 साल रुका आप लोग रुके 1 साल की कोरोना की वजह से कि ये जब जाएगा तो फिर, लेकिन अभी जब ये रिलीज़ हुआ, लॉन्च हुआ, तो उसके तुरंत बाद फिर से लॉकडाउन और सेकंड वेव कोरोना।
I was wishing कि मैं ये सब I would have done these interviews and these promotions in person, and I was looking forward for it so much. Like I was so excited कि show release होगा, then we'll do promotion like how we did पहले. Like I think before this, the last promotion I did was for Ujra Chaman, so that was obviously normal. But ठीक है, now this is what it is, and we have to be safe and we have to follow guidelines. So.
लेकिन ये एक गुड पार्ट भी होता है क्योंकि लोग ज़्यादातर अभी घर में टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन के साथ, सो एक तरह की टाइम ज़्यादा मिलता है तो देख सकते हैं, ये एक अच्छा पार्ट कह सकते हैं इसे।
Of course, I feel जब COVID हुआ था, so I think the people's mental health and everything was saved because of entertainment, right? Like there was so much content on Instagram, people making content. There was content on Netflix and Amazon. So इस चीज की वजह से I think our Indian audience has also become more smarter. They want to see good content, and हमारे साथ भी if we are creating good content or we are creating something, they are able to interact with us and see better things now. So definitely it has its pro and cons, but I think we should see the positive and go that side.
So आप अब ज़्यादा किस वे में चलना पसंद करेंगे? लाइक अभी जैसे डिजिटली वेब बहुत आगे निकल गया, बहुत वेब प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत बूम पर है, सो आप किस में कंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं? लाइक आप किसको ज़्यादा फॉलो करना चाहेंगे, वेब में या फिर बड़े पर्दे पर या फिर टेलीविजन में भी?
I honestly I feel मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, तो जहाँ पे भी अच्छा काम मिलेगा, जहाँ पे अच्छा कंटेंट बनेगा, मेरे लिए अच्छा कैरेक्टर होगा, I will go. That can be TV, that can be OTT, that can be a music video, that can be a film. I'm open to doing good parts and I'm attracting good content. That's what I want to work on and with. It can be anything.
But Karishma, don't you think like web is short, crisp? क्योंकि जब 2020 मैच होता है ना, लोग ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं क्योंकि 2020 मैच होता है, शॉर्ट होता है और उसी में सब कुछ मिलता है देखने के लिए। तो सेम लाइक वेब भी ऐसे ही है कि कम टाइम होता है।
Definitely, web is very, very good right now. People connect to it so much. It is so much more easier for everyone now. I remember मेरे घर पे my own parents didn't have a Fire Stick. They didn't know what was, and a lot of my friends' parents didn't know Amazon or Netflix. Patna में. So that is also a very cool thing that parents are watching. Like I know so many my father, my friends friends parents have watched Scam and they really enjoyed it. So I think definitely web is a great space to be as an actor, as a director, as an artist. But again, I feel like I'm an actor, so jahan pe bhi I will get a good role, that's where I will go.
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा पहले ले जाना चाहूंगा, रागिनी एमएमएस, ठीक है, वैसी स्टोरी मतलब आप करना चाहेंगी?
I don't know. I mean, I think Ragini was a great story. लोगों ने बहुत उसको वो कर दिया था. Oh my God! But I think Ragini made me who I am today. So if again something a good story comes, if it has great content, then why not?
अभी वैसे भी वेब पर थोड़ा सा कंटेंट को लेकर गंजा कसने की बात चल रही है कि थोड़ा सा होल्ड लगाएं कि वैसे कंटेंट ना, अभी बात चल रही थी, तो चीज़ें शायद से चेंज भी हो सकती है, इसको लेकर क्या कहेंगे, जैसे सेंसर बोर्ड वेब पर भी?
I feel that I don't think it's right because at least on web we're making we should have the liberty to make things, and agar there should be restrictions on some things, but there are some things which is normal and organic. जो चीजें हो रही हैं, तो why not show those things? But I think, you know, if people are taking that call, I'm nobody to really say much about it. I don't stand in the position to say much, but I hope there is justice, and there is a, you know, they take a good call on whatever is right.
अच्छा, अगर म्यूजिक वीडियोस की बात करें तो अभी बहुत नए लोग हैं, नए कपल्स हैं जो कि अभी एक अलग, उनका भी एक अलग सेंसेशन, लाइक अलग लेवल पे चल रहा है, ठीक है, फैन फॉलोइंग,
क्रेज अलग ही है।
हाँ, आपको बहुत टाइम हुआ, आपको गैप हुआ, क्योंकि आप भी सोशल मीडिया सेंसेशन, आपके भी फॉलोअर्स बहुत इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो आप क्यों नहीं दिखेंगे? 2019 में शायद आपने लास्ट किया था।
No, actually just shot something with Remo sir also. And it was opposite Siddharth Gupta, the same co-actor from Ragini. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So that came, I did another song with Cookie Gulati that's going to be out next month by Tips. So let's see.
So अभी मतलब बैक टू बैक देखने मिलेगा आपकी तरफ से, लाइक म्यूजिक वीडियोस में भी आप दिखेंगे?
म्यूजिक वीडियोस मैंने 4 म्यूजिक वीडियोस किए हैं, अभी वो रिलीज नहीं हुए, तो आई होप कि जल्दी यू नो, सुमेर सिंह केम, आई वाज लाइक अब 3-4 जो म्यूजिक वीडियोस है बैक टू बैक, दे शुड जस्ट रिलीज नाउ, सो होपफुली आई एम आल्सो होपिंग दैट दे रिलीज वेरी
सून। कपल्स लोगों की लहर चल रही है, तो आपके भी तरफ से ऐसे कुछ वीडियोस देखने मिलेगा? कपल्स लोगों की भी लहर चल रही है, कपल ज्यादातर यही ट्रेंड चल रहा है कपल्स
single, so I don't I am single, so I don't think I have a couple to make videos with, but if I ever work with someone again, then maybe you will see like a couple shoot, or like, I don't know, wave. I think Shehnaz and Siddharth Shukla, they are like the best couple that I saw. So very cute, but I'm single.
Okay. Any plans for TV? Television की तरफ कुछ?
I don't mind doing TV. I actually enjoy doing comedy on TV so much. Comedy Circus, Kapil Sharma show, जो मैंने किया था, it was a lot of fun. So if something like that comes, definitely, why not?
Okay. Lastly, अपने fans के लिए कुछ message देना चाहेंगे आप जाते-जाते?
Thank you so much, guys, for watching and giving me so much love. Please watch Sumer Singh Diaries. It's a lovely show. There is a lot of thriller. There's suspense. It'll keep you on the edge. There's drama and there's romance. As my friend here wants to see me in a couple mood, so you can see that also in with I'm romancing Ranvijay there. So please, guys, watch it, and thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Karishma. All the best. Good luck. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.